morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Thursday, August 11th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
We have a special announcement today. It is our wonderful advisor, Miss Edley's birthday. Happy birthday, Miss Edley!
Thank you so much. Good morning. Yes, I can be on here because I'm the advisor. Great.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 96 degrees and a low of 77 degrees, with a 15% chance of rain.
Today's lunch options are cheese quesadilla, turkey and cheese sandwich, and chicken fried steak and roll. Yum.
Bet you didn't know, like fingerprints, everyone's tongue print is different.
So cute I can't with this peaceful panda. Yi lives in the National Zoo in Malaysia. He was recently named after peace and friendship. He turned 1 on May 31st.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Everett, what clothes do houses wear?
I don't know what.
Addresses.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is a key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Max.
And I'm Everett. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum.